In this video, we will discuss the various strategies and tips you can use to build your credit score without paying off your debt. Having a good credit score is essential for many aspects of our lives, from getting a loan to renting an apartment. Unfortunately, many people find themselves in debt, and it can be difficult to climb out of it. However, there are ways to improve your score without paying off your debt in full. We will go over the different methods and what you can do to get the best results. So sit back and relax while we explain to you some ways that actually might work. 1. Check your credit report for accuracy. Errors on your report can have a negative impact on your credit score. Request a copy of your report from the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Then, carefully review the report to ensure there are no inaccuracies or outdated information that could be bringing your score down. 2. Make your payments on time. Payment history is one of the most important factors in determining your credit score. On-time payments can help to improve your score. Set up automated payments to ensure you always pay on time and never miss a payment. 3. Keep your credit utilization low. Your credit utilization ratio is the amount of credit you're using compared to the amount of credit you have available. Keeping your credit utilization ratio low, ideally below 30%, can certainly help. 4. Don't close old accounts. Closing old accounts can actually have a negative impact on your credit score. As long as the account is in good standing, it's best to keep it open and active. 5. Ask for a credit limit increase. Increasing your credit limit can help to lower your credit utilization ratio. This can have a positive impact on your credit score. 6. Become an authorized user. If you have a family member or friend with a good credit score, you can ask them to add you as an authorized user to their account. This will allow you to leverage their good credit history to boost your score. 7. Dispute incorrect items. If you find any incorrect or outdated information on your report, you can dispute it with the credit bureau. It can help if the dispute is successful. 8. Utilize credit repair services. Credit repair services can help to identify errors on your report and dispute them on your behalf. This can help to improve your score. 9. Request a goodwill adjustment. If you've had a past issue with a creditor, you can contact them and request a goodwill adjustment. This is when the creditor agrees to remove the negative mark from your report. 10. Increase your credit mix. Another important thing to do to move things along is opt for a credit mix. Lenders like to see a mix of different types of credit accounts, including revolving credit. Example of this would be credit cards, and installment credit. An example would be auto loans. 11. Space out your applications. Applying for too much credit in a short period of time can have a negative impact on your score. Instead, space out your applications and only apply for credit as needed. 12. Sign up for a credit monitoring service. Credit monitoring services can help you to track your score and alert you to any changes. This can help you to spot any potential issues and take the necessary steps to achieve your goal. 13. Negotiate a payment plan. If you're having trouble paying off your debt, you can contact your creditors and request a payment plan. This can help you to manage your debt, which can positively impact your score over a period of time. We hope that you will give a close consideration to the methods we have suggested in order to improve your credit, and as you might have noticed, none involve you actually having to reduce your debt in order to do so. If you found our video useful, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It would mean a lot to us. Also, kindly leave your feedback in the comments as it would greatly help us in improving our content quality. Take care and have a great day.